Posible umanong mahikayat si dating Ako Bicol Representative Azaldico na magbalik bansa kung papayagan siyang magpiyansa o maisailalim sa house arrest. Sa panayam sa On Point ng Bilyonaryo News Channel, sinabi ni Rondain na takot ang kanyang kliyente para sa kaligtasan nito.
If the government can assure his safety. I heard the ombudsman saying that we will escort him from the tube and then bring him to an armored van with body cams the whole time. And then what? Where are they going to bring him? To general population detention? He's going to get shot after the first 30 minutes. House arrest or bail. Bail will do it. Because he's afraid of getting killed in jail.
Tiniyak naman ni Rondain na lalaban ito sa korte upang mapayagan si Ko na mag-house arrest o magpiyansa habang humaharap sa mga kasong nakaambas sa kanya.